Question number 12, chemistry paper, GATE 2018. The question was, based on Wade's rule, the structure type of B5H8 minus is. The options are Clozo, Nido, Arcano and HIFO. So on the basis of Wade's rule, we have to identify the structure of B5H8 minus. So let's come and we will see the proper trick or explanation for this type of question. To solve this type of question, you have to basically remember the general formulas for every type of or different type of boranes. So coming to the solution, the general formula provide the general formula for all the different 5 type of boranes. So general formula, once you remember all this type of the general formula of all the boranes, so it will become more easier for you all to solve such question. So general formula of clozoborane is Bn H 2n Bn H n plus 2. The second case is Nido. Its formula is Bn Hn plus 4. Third one is Arcanoboranes. So its general formula is Bn Hn plus 6. Then comes hypo. So Bn Hn plus 8. And the last one is Clado, that is Bn Hn plus 10. Sometimes some question are give example of carbonaboranes. So at that time always remember BH is isoelectronic with carbon. One BH is isoelectronic for one BH is isoelectronic with one carbon atom. So by this, remembering this, you can also use this formula to identify the structure of carbanoboranes. Okay. So the question was, what is the structure of what is the structure of B5H8 minus? So to solve this question, you can think like this: if we remove one proton from B5H9, it will give B5H8 minus. Okay, so if we add one proton in B5H8 minus, then what will the borane? B5H9. Because if you remove one proton from B5H9, you will get B5H8 minus. So basically both the boranes have same structure. So here the n value is 5. So if we put this value in here, nidoborane case, that is Bn Hn plus 4, that is B5H9. So it is matching with this structure. So we can say the structure of B5H8 is similar to B5H9, that is it is a nidoborane. So the right answer for this question is option B. The option B is correct.